In continuation with the Nicholam Sutra, I am going to tell you that without adding these two numbers and subtracting this base number from the addition product, you are going to find out the left half answer by cross subtraction. For example, when you are going to subtract this difference of second digit from the first one, or the difference of first digit from the second one, this again you are getting the same half, left half of the answer. And when you are going to put these two half, you are going to get exact answer. Again, when you are having any digit, let's consider, for example, 499987, 499982. Here, when you are going to take base number like this, difference of these numbers will be a large number and their oral multiplication will not be possible. In such cases, in place of taking this as base number, you have to take base number like this: 500000. And from this base number, you have to subtract and proceed in the same way. Here again, when you are going to subtract, you are going to get 0000, then 13, then 00018. And again, when you are having this, find out product of the two differences. It will give 000234. This one will be the right half answer. Left half answer, either by adding these two numbers, subtracting this base number, here base number is 500 something, or by cross subtraction. Here, when you are going to cross subtract, 17 minus 8, how much? 17, 9. And here again, 7 minus 1, 6, then 9, 9, 9, and then 4. But remember, this concept is completely based on 10 to the powers, which should be a base number. Here you have taken base number just half of the actual base number. Therefore, in left half, you have to do like 5 by 10 times. It means you have to make it half and then club the two half to get exact answer. When you are going to do 5 by 10 times of this, it means you have to divide it by 2. It means 2, then 4, then 9, then 9, then 8, then here 4, then 0.5. This 0.5 will go here and it will be 500234. This is the answer. Again, this figure is the answer. In continuation with this, if you are having 399 something, in that case, your base number should be 4000 something. In that case, here in place of 5 by 10, you have to do 4 by 10. If it is 2, in that case 3 by 10. Here. And club these two halves to get exact answer. This is again extension of this Nicholam Sutra. Not only this, when you are having, let's consider, one number is greater than base number and one is number, then how you are going to proceed? This can also be done by using this Nicholam Sutra. I am going to take a smaller number to explain this. Here, let's consider you are having 4987 and here 5013. These two numbers are there. Here you are taking base number as 5000. Now taking base number this, when you are going to subtract, what you are going to get? 0013. But here, when you are going to take difference, this difference, since this 5013 is greater than base number, here in place of minus, you have to write with plus sign. and in that case 0, 0, 1, 3 will be there. Now again, everyone knows that when you are going to multiply positive with negative, there will be always a negative. And 13, these two differences should be multiplied. 13 multiplied by 13, it will give 169. Here minus. Again, you have to do this. When you are going to subtract, it means here positive sign is there. This figure should be added here, or when you are going to cross like this, again from here you have to subtract. In that case, in every case, you will be able to get this one. Since this 5,000 does not mean simple 5,000, this figure means 0, 0, 0, 0. And here this negative is there, it means 0, 1, 6, 9. Again, but in place of doing all these things, first, since your base number is just half, you have to make it half. Here in place of 500, when you are going to have 5 by 10, it will be 2500. It means now here 2500 means at this place your actual number is 2500, then 0, 0, 0, 0. And here this one is negative, you have to make 0, 1, 6, 9. After subtracting this, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 1, 8, and then here 9, 9, 4, 2. This is the answer. Here, one should be very much clear that if one digit is larger than the base number and other one is smaller than the base number, then the product of their difference should be negative, and in that case you have to subtract. Otherwise, rest of the steps are similar to the previous steps.